Welcome to this video. Today we'll learn how we can use the where clause in MySQL in order to filter records in our database, okay? So the where clause will be used in order to help us filter data and to get some specific data from our database. In order to get started, we will need to use our database to select the database we'll be working on. Let me show database. Let me show you all the databases I have on my databases. Okay, we have these database, but we will be using the my database. Okay, use my database. Okay, and the database has been changed. Now I can show you all the tables that are inside of the database. Okay, we can say show tables, and then you'll be able to see all the tables that are inside of the database. We have the categories, customers, employees, audit details, orders, products, etc. Now we will use the where clause in order to filter data based on a specific country. Let's say if we want to get all the customers, all the details from the customers, where the customer is is located in like I can say Spain or France, etc. But let's select. Okay, I can say select star, that will select everything from customers. Okay, and I can say where country equal. Okay, I can say equal France, and then let's select everything to see. You see, now it returns everything that are inside of the it will return everything that are inside of the table with the customer, the country for the customer equal to France. You say customer name, it returns all these, customer contact name, address, city, postal code, etc. So you see, we have the customer, the country is France. So you have a better idea. Let me decrease this one a little bit so you can have a better idea. Okay. Okay, now you have a better idea of what is inside of the table. I decrease the screen size so you have a better idea. Now we have the customer ID, we have the customer name, we have the contact name, the address, and the city. Okay, so this is how you can use the where clause in like MySQL in order to filter data in your database. Let's say if we want to get a specific like a customer, we can say select customer, we can say select star from customers where ID equal one of these ID, we can say select. Okay, select a star from customers where customer ID equal, I can say equal 7. Okay, equal 7. So you see, it returns like the information for only the specific customers. So in our database, we have information like we have country like Spain, etc. We have a lot of them, but you see in this, it returns only all the customers where the country equal to France right here. Okay, this is the code I'm talking about. But right here, we select star, we select everything from customers where the ID equal to 7, or you can say the ID equal to, like we have 9, we can say ID equal 9, and that's it. And it will return everything for this customer, for this it will return everything from the customer from the customer's table where the ID equals to 9. This is how you can use the the where clause in MySQL in order to filter data in your database. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you have learned a lot of things, and I hope you will be able to use the where clause in your next MySQL project. You can use that to filter data in your database, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to follow us.